हेलो, राधे राधे टू यू ऑल। जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही गेस किया। इन नेक्सस इंडिया की जर्नी में आज हम बात करेंगे HIMCS यानी हिंदुस्तान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़, जो कि मौजूद है 1997 से कान्हा जी की नगरी मथुरा के फराह में। वैसे तो यहाँ अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड कॉलेजेस काफ़ी हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद हमने केवल यहाँ आने का फैसला क्यों किया, आइए आपको विस्तार पूर्वक बताते हैं।
Hi, I'm Dr. Naveen Gupta, Director of the Hindustan Institute and Management and Computer Studies. Basically, we have two courses, MBA and MCA, and we have a lot of specialization in the MBA programs like marketing, finance, HR, and even the sub specialization in the HR and marketing and finance also, and IT areas. And the another program which is very good program with us, that is MCA, Master of Computer Application. Basically, Hindustan Institute works on 4 pillars. The one is the creation of the knowledge. So creation of the knowledge, when we talk, so it is just because we publish 2 journals regularly of the international repute. More than 70% faculty are PhD, and we focus to the students also on the research purpose. And the second, dissemination of the knowledge through the case studies, interaction, live case studies. They go to the field also. So we try to give the best education not only through the classroom but from the field also. The third is application of the knowledge. So we have the regular management development program. We try to solve the local problems of the industry and the other areas also of the government organization. We are very much in touch with the government bodies of the Agra, so we try to solve their problem along with the students. And the fourth is, which is very important pillar of the Hindustan Institute, that is the social responsibility. We pick up the problem of the society and then we try to solve the problem. We try to design the intervention with the help of the students and the faculty, and they try to give a lot of input.
Hello, my name is Pala Gupta, pursuing MBA from HIMCS University. I want to share my experience with you all. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University. I have come over there, so I learned one thing, that institution or college doesn't matter if you have a zeal to learn new things. In university can provide you a structure, framework, but the only thing matters, it's your confidence and your experiences. So I think the teachers are very good, they are very helpful and giving so much knowledge about the things.
Hello everyone, I am Kashish Khan, pursuing MCA from Hindustan Institute of Management and Computer Studies. When I took admission here, I was excited to explore new things and get connected with new people. When I come here, I got so many supportive teachers which helped me in pursuing my career in the IT field, and it helps me a lot. I have so many seminars and the other IT sessions which helps me in pursuing IT field company jobs.
Hi, my name is Shobhit Khan Sharma. I am heading the Department of Training and Placement with Sharda Group of Institutions, and that too with the Hindustan College of Science and Technology. As you know, we are moving ahead in the world of AI, machine learning. The machines are taking work from the machine. Previously, there was a different story where the people were taking work from the machine. Now the era or the spectrum has changed. So taking changes in our curriculum, in our education model, and customize our education system, methodology, and giving you back as a society is the main agenda and objective of Hindustan College.
Hi, this is Dr. Priya Pandey. I'm General Manager Placement at Sharda Group of Institution. Here in Sharda, we basically nurture talent on skill-based learning, and we are having full-fledged training and development department here with the 20 faculty members and trainers, those who are working day and night on the skill part of the students. Every year, close to 500 plus corporates used to visit and recruit students for the entry-level position from MBA and business part across India, and in Sharda we used to complete 89 and 90% placement every year. In this quarter we have already completed 85% placements of MBA students, and our placement session is still going on, and we are expecting more corporates used to visit us. In Sharda, this is not the institute only, it's a factory to produce managers, business manager and entrepreneur. Join us.
शारदा ग्रुप के HIMCS इंस्टीट्यूशन को एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद मैं केवल आपसे एक चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगी, द वर्ल्ड इज़ हेयर, वेयर आर यू? थैंक यू।